In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to limit notifications to only high priority in Gmail. Managing notifications can be a challenging task, especially when you receive numerous emails daily. Fortunately, Gmail offers a way to streamline this process and ensure you're alerted only for the emails that truly matter. Let's dive into this step-by-step guide. First, let's head over to your Gmail account. Once you're in, you'll want to locate the settings, which can be found by clicking the gear icon at the top right corner of your Gmail interface. Clicking this icon will reveal a drop-down menu with several options. Here you'll need to select See All Settings to access the full range of Gmail's configuration options. It's crucial to navigate through the entire settings menu to ensure nothing is overlooked. Once you're in the settings, navigate to the desktop notifications section. This area allows you to control how and when you receive notifications on your computer desktop. Look for the option labelled Important Mail Notifications On. By selecting this choice, you're instructing Gmail to notify you only about emails that it deems important. Gmail determines importance based on your email habits and past interactions, so it gets smarter over time. Make sure to save any changes you make by clicking the Save Changes button at the bottom of the settings page. This ensures all your modifications are applied successfully. Next, let's create a filter to further refine which emails are marked as important. Go back to your inbox and look for the filter icon, which resembles a small funnel. Clicking on this icon will open a search box where you can refine your email filtering criteria. Here, type the email address you'd like to prioritize in the From field. This step is vital for those who receive emails from multiple sources but want to be notified about specific senders. Additionally, there's an option to specify emails that have attachments. If you want to prioritize emails with attached files, make sure to check the Has Attachment box. This will help Gmail distinguish and elevate emails that come with additional documents, which might be crucial for your work or personal matters. With your criteria set, click Create Filter. A new set of options will appear. Now select Always Mark It as Important to ensure that emails matching your specified criteria are treated as a priority. Finish up by clicking Create Filter once more to confirm and apply your settings, and there you have it. You've now customized your Gmail notifications to focus only on high priority messages. By following these steps, you'll maintain a healthier inbox and reduce unnecessary distractions. Remember, managing notifications is key to boosting your productivity and keeping your digital life organized. Be sure to revisit these settings periodically, adjusting them as your needs and priorities evolve. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide helps you streamline your email notifications effectively.